Hello, gorgeous people. So today I am here to do my Boxycharm unboxings. So you may notice I have two Boxycharm boxes, and that is simply because I just received my September Boxycharm box today in the mail, and I started to think, I'm like, did I receive my August box? I don't remember filming the video. And so I looked around and I moved a couple things around in my kitchen, which is where my mail normally goes, and I found it sitting on the counter, completely unopened, because normally when I get the mail, anything that is mine, I put on my desk by my computer, which is right over here, and then I give my grandma her stuff. But apparently it was one of the days where I had to work right after school, so when grandma brings the mail in, she kind of just lays it on a pile in the kitchen, and I've been super busy this past month and I never got around to going through that giant pile. She obviously gets the important things out, but anything else that isn't of importance to her at that very moment, so if it's not like a bill, or yeah, if it's basically not a bill, she just kind of leaves it there and lets me go through it, and then I give it to her later on, like, hey, you need to look through this, decide if we need it or if it needs to go in the trash. And I just never got around to doing that during August, so it was just chilling there waiting on me to open it. So we're gonna start with that one in this video. I decided I'm just gonna do it in one. I'm not gonna do two separate videos. So this one will be slightly longer, and yeah. So I'm gonna open it. I already cut them both open, just so you are aware. So August box was totally Boxycharm. That's what the card looks like. It's all pink. I love it. Pink's my favorite color. That's a lie. Right now I'm really loving lavender, but yeah. Alright, so the first thing in here is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil from Wander, and it retails for $42. I love this brand. I've received a couple different things from this brand throughout my time of subscription boxes, and I have really enjoyed all the products I've received. My favorite is the golden eye masks. I've received quite a few of those in Boxycharms and in my FabFitFun boxes. Obsessed with those, so I'm really excited to try this out. Let's see. It nourishes, primes, and helps restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. So, seems really nice. I'm loving glowing skin right now. My highlighters mainly wore off for today. You can see a little bit of it on my nose and on my cheeks, but I'm excited to try that out. Alright, next from Tarte we have the Big Ego Mascara, which retails for $23. This comes in handy because I'm almost out of my Better Than Sex mascara. Oh my god, I love this packaging. It's so pink. But yeah, I've actually not heard of this one. I'm out of the loop on things. If you want to see like a review or anything on this, let me know and I can do that for you. But yeah, that comes in handy because I'm needing a new mascara. My Better Than Sex is almost empty. I'm struggling to get the last little bit out. Alright, so then from Becca, love Becca Cosmetics, we have the Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder, and this retails for $39. And this is in, you have a certain shade. It just says Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So I don't know. You have a certain shade, or are you just translucent? Oh, okay, an ultra translucent. Bingo. So that's good. I'm pretty stocked up on powder right now. I have like 3 or 4 waiting in my drawer for me to use. I'm trying to get through my Airspun. I just switched back to that one. I like switching between that and then trying a different one, then going back to the Airspun and then back, just because I love my Airspun so much. I keep it always on hand. Alright, so then from the brand Pure, the Complexion Authority, they did a collab with Barbie. Everyone loves Barbie. Well, not everyone, but a good few. So they are celebrating the 60th anniversary of Barbie with this, what is it called? Pink glitter mask. It's called Glitterly Brightening Peel-Off Mask. Awesome. It's a peel-off mask. I don't do well with peel-off masks. I scream sometimes because my skin is so sensitive. I'm actually going to my dad's and my stepmom's on Friday night to spend the night because we're going out of town Saturday for my birthday, because Friday is my birthday. If you're seeing this video should go up on Thursday, so tomorrow is my birthday. I'm turning 20. So I might take this, try it out on my dad. My stepmom and I like to do things like that too sometimes. Last time we were there, we waxed his chest, and that was absolutely hilarious. He screamed like a little girl the whole time. But yeah. The last thing we have is from Lashaholics, and it's the Instaglam False Lashes. Cute. And these retail for $14.99. I really like these. I've heard a lot about this brand. I've been wanting some new lashes, so I'm excited to try these out. So that's it for the August box. Now for the September box. Here it is. This month's box theme is the All Access box. So, I did take a little glance on a like a forum or something the other day, and I saw some sneak peeks of some different things you could get. Sorry, I just accidentally popped some bubble wrap without meaning to. I was trying to move it and I popped it. I apologize. But yeah, so the first thing we got is the Velvet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette, and this retails for $30. My friend Mickey would be obsessed with this. She loves all these colors like this. They're so pretty. I'm really obsessed with this green one right here. I'm blinding you. I apologize. This color is gorgeous. These colors here are like the shades I've been using most recently. I received it in PR, the new Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Loving it. Totally obsessed. Absolutely gorgeous. If you want to see some makeup tutorials or a review or anything like that based on that palette, please let me know. I would love to share it with you guys. I'm absolutely obsessed. It's gorgeous. But yeah, so I'll add this into my little play palettes to play around with. So next, from Dr. Brandt, I think is how you pronounce it. I might be saying that wrong. It's the Hydro Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And this retails for $52. So it's just in a little bottle. The packaging is very, very simple. So this deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. For some reason I have a little trouble with sleep masks. I don't know why. Anytime I wear a sleep mask, I can't sleep. And I think it's just because it feels so weird, like, on my skin. Like, I'm not used to something like that being on my face. But I've tried a couple different ones, and every time I wear one, I can't sleep. Like, I can, but I have a really restless sleep that night, and it's just not good. The main one I've been trying is from Origin, I think. I think that's the brand. That might be wrong. And I really, really love the mask. It does wonders for the skin. But anytime I try it, I just can't sleep. So we'll see how this one goes. Hopefully I can sleep using it. These products are all really hot. It's 95 degrees outside at my house right now. So that's lovely. Alright. Now from Billion Dollar Brow, we have the Micro Blade Effect brow pen, and this retails for $18, and it's in the color dark. I had a brow pen I was using from, I don't remember, I forget what brand it was, and the pencil part came out. It completely broke. I'd only used it 2 or 3 times. I received it in, like, I want to say it was a beauty box, some sort of Boxycharm or something. My stepmom might have gave it to me. She might have received it in an Ipsy. I don't know. But, oh, this is funky. How the heck? Look at this little brush. Oh, that shouldn't be too bad. It's pretty dark. It's not too bad. If you're gonna see me try this out, let me know. Oh, it's kind of sticky when you first put it on. Interesting. So then, from Hank and Henry, I have the Blankety Black eyeliner, and this retails for $20. This is a longwear liquid eyeliner, and I just opened one literally this morning, and I don't want this to dry out, so I am not going to open this and swatch it for you guys. I apologize. I always try to swatch all the products that I can, but I don't want it to go to waste. And I know that's what would happen. It would dry out, and I wouldn't be able to use that, unfortunately. So I'm not going to swatch that for you guys. But the last thing we have is from Moda. Is it Beauty or is it Pro? I think it's Moda Pro. It just says Moda on the card. But it's the 5-piece brush kit, and these retail for $27.95. Let me see if I can get it out. It's a 5-piece deluxe eye kit. I have to keep these up. Anytime I have brushes, somehow my dogs manage to grab them and eat the wands. I don't want them to do that. Oh, I love the feel of these. I don't know if you can see the texture on the brush, the wand. It feels real cool. Comes with an angled brush. Does that say detail brush? I think so. Oh yeah. What are you? A crease brush. A shade brush. It's kind of flat but fluffy at the same time. They're real soft. And this is a smudger. They're real soft, real flexible. And the handles feel really comfortable. I'm gonna like these. Alright, so that's everything I received through 2 months of beauty boxes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start uploading more, I promise. I know I say that every time, but I'm really getting back into it. I was having a lot of trouble with my internet. It takes like 4 hours for one video to upload that's like 5 minutes. So it's really hard when you try to upload like a makeup tutorial or something that's like 20 minutes long. It's insane. But we're trying to switch back to the other internet we had because we got to deal with them. So hopefully things work out and we can switch back, because that internet, I could upload a video in like 5 minutes. It was insane. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any video suggestions or any of the videos I recommended that you would like to see, leave those in the comments and let me know what you think. And I think that's it. I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.